We're doing it live at Cricket in Mount Pleasant in the Sea Island Shopping Center. Got my girl here. What's your name?
Jasmine.
Jasmine just got a new Move music phone. You're excited, right? Hey. She talked her mom into getting that because mom was like, look at here. We gonna make a deal. How much you gonna pay me back? Okay? So Jasmine, I am keeping my fingers crossed for you because we about to hook up mom in a big way. We're about to pull a name in just a second, but you just got the new phone. So what is it that you really like the most about the Move music?
Unlimited music, the time is just really fast.
Right. Stupid fast.
Stupid.
See? And you know what? Consolidating, because now you don't have to have your iPod and your phone and all that, right?
Wrapped up in one.
Wrapped up in one. That's what it's about. You know, the new Move music by Samsung has all kinds of features, but the best thing is, like she said, unlimited music directly to your phone and from the biggest music labels, so that means you're downloading legally. Okay, and you don't have to worry about credit cards, no syncing, no purchases, no computers, no contracts, none of that. Right on your phone. And that big old button right there, that's where you go directly to your music and start downloading. And you know what? New music. Every Tuesday, new music comes out. Every Tuesday. Oh, she is really excited. When you get that high voice, that's when you know it's like it's over, right? Every Tuesday, go on down and find out what's new. Download in seconds. That easy. Right now, though, can we hook somebody up? Can we hook up a mama? Gotta say thank you and happy Mother's Day to all of our mothers celebrating this weekend. And I don't know, should we have Jasmine pull a name? Sure. Would that be cheating? Okay. Let's have the Cricket man pull a name. Cricket. Mr. Cricket. Okay.
You're the one with the new Move phone.
I picked mine.
Okay, what you got, Jasmine? What you got? And we've got a Mother's Day. Oh, that's me! She was not looking, and she did pull her mom's name. So congratulations, Mom. That was really bananas. We even have the video footage of that. But we're gonna give Mom a Samsung stereo Bluetooth headset, a 4GB micro SD card, gift certificate to the Nail Palace for a mani-pedi, and a Mother's Day gift bag from D-Winks, the perfect destination for Mother's Day gift, which is right next door to Cricket. So congratulations, and get on the move with the new Move music with Cricket. Live in the streets, it's your girl, Daisy D for your Z.
93 Jams.